I would like to introduce you to OnePlan's Sofia GPT, the AI-powered chatbot designed to help you optimize your strategic portfolio and work management processes and achieve your strategic goals with ease. Using OnePlan with Sofia GPT as a strategic planner, I can effectively determine the most effective key results for monitoring my objective performance within an organization. Let's create a new objective called Grow Future Home Automation. I'm going to go ahead and go to my strategy. And I'm going to create a new objective here. And we're going to call it Grow Future Home Automation. Now that we have our objective here, I'm going to go ahead and come in here. And now I'm going to ask Sofia here to identify 3 viable key results to measure for this particular objective. Great. Now that I have the key results, I can go ahead and add those into my plan here. Next, I want to ask what are some viable projects that I need to do in order to achieve this objective. So let's go ahead and ask Sofia that as well. Great. Now that I've created my objective called Grow Future Home Automation, I've been able to identify the 3 different key results I want to measure against this particular objective. And now I have 10 different initiatives that I can create and add to my portfolio for prioritization. As you can see, OnePlan's Sofia GPT is a powerful tool that can help strategic planners gain deep insight into the organization's overall strategy and align their portfolio with their strategic goals. Using OnePlan with Sofia GPT as a project manager, I can effectively plan and manage complex projects with ease. For example, as a project manager, the first thing I want to do here is create a new plan called Smart Home Automation System. Now that I have my plan created here, I want to go to the work plan and I want to create a schedule. Now I can create a schedule from scratch, or I can create a schedule from a template. I can use a template from my organization. I can have a personal one, maybe one online, but I can also ask Sofia if she could build me a template. Now that I have my template built from Sofia, I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Now I'm going to map my resources. And then next, go ahead and insert the template. Go ahead and expand my template. So now I have a project plan built from AI. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and link some of these tasks together so I can then start making adjustments to my schedule, add a few days here, maybe reduce a few days there. And then I want to ask Sofia to rank the tasks by the highest risk and explain why. What should I be focusing on? So I'm going to go ahead and use one of our pre-built example questions here. Great. Now that I have a list of the high-risk tasks, I can now make appropriate adjustments to my schedule and keep monitoring those particular tasks to make sure we stay on track. Next, I want to go to my resource plan and see what resources might be at risk. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the resource plan. And I'm going to ask Sofia to rank the resources by highest risk and explain why. Great. Now that Sofia has given us a ranking of who are the higher risk resources, I can actually go back into my resource plan and make the appropriate adjustments, maybe reassign some of these resources to more underutilized resources here. So next, I want to go in and manage or analyze the financials. So let's go ahead and look at our budget next. So let's go ahead and click on the financials tab. And here in the budget, I'm going to go ahead and ask Sofia to provide me some key insights and trends that they might be seeing here within my budget here. So I'm going to ask Sofia for that. Great. Now Sofia's given me some good information around my budget that I need to take into consideration, so I can now start making adjustments to the budget based on some of this feedback and trends that Sofia's seen. Now I want to go and write a business case for this particular project and send an email to my manager. So now I'm going to go to the details page and ask Sofia to write me a business case for this particular project. Great. Now that I have my business case here, I'm going to go ahead and grab that and put it into my business case. Now I'm going to ask Sofia to write me an email that I can send to my manager, letting them know that this project is ready for review. So let's go ahead and ask Sofia here to write me an email. Awesome. Now I can copy this email out, put it into my email, and make adjustments to it and send it to my management for review. So this is a quick a demo to show you how Sofia GPT can help project managers more effectively plan and manage their projects within OnePlan. Using OnePlan with Sofia GPT as a portfolio manager, I can leverage powerful AI intelligence to optimize my organization's strategic portfolio, maximize ROI, and drive strategic alignment. Now, as a portfolio manager, the first thing I might want to do is go into my portfolio to see which initiatives are at highest risk and that needs my attention. So go ahead and ask, what are the highest risk projects, and explain. Great. Now Sofia's given me a ranking of what are the highest risk projects in my portfolio, a better understanding why they're at high risk, and now as a portfolio manager, I can address those particular projects. Next, I might want to ask Sofia to help me reduce my portfolio budget and reprioritize our initiatives based on our new strategic goals. Let's go and open up the portfolio modeler, where we'll ask Sofia to propose some projects we should cancel or postpone. All right, now we're in the modeler. Let's go ahead and ask Sofia here. Which plans should we be canceling or postponing to help us reduce our budget? Great. Now we know some projects that are not providing a lot of value and have high risk, and are projects we might want to look at canceling or postponing. This is just a quick demo of how Sofia GPT can help portfolio managers leverage the AI intelligence to optimize their strategic portfolio and make key decisions. Using OnePlan with Sofia GPT as a resource manager, I can streamline resource allocation, manage resource conflicts, and forecast future resource needs. So as a resource manager, the first thing I might want to do is go to my resource plan and ask Sofia which resources are over-allocated or are at high risk. Going into my resource plan, I'll go ahead and open up Sofia, and here I'm going to go ahead and ask to rank the resources by highest risk and to explain why. Great. Now Sofia's helped us understand which resources are at the highest risk of burnout or not being able to complete their work, and now we can make different adjustments as we see fit. As you can see, OnePlan's Sofia GPT is a powerful tool that can help resource managers gain deep insight into their resources. Overall, by using OnePlan with Sofia GPT, you can optimize your strategic portfolio, streamline resource planning, redefine budgets, improve project outcomes, and achieve your strategic goals more efficiently.